It's only been 2 weeks since Edmonton police had to confiscate a realistic-looking BB gun after a boy in a Millwoods junior high school accidentally used it to shoot a girl in the leg. EPS say they typically see a spike in calls involving imitation guns over the summer. Wednesday, launching an awareness campaign.
Today our message is simple. Fake guns pose real dangers.
That fact demonstrated in a worst-case scenario in 2014. Police in Cleveland shot and killed 12-year-old Tamir Rice. He'd been seen with a handgun in a park. It turned out to be fake.
Gun. Let's go. Police, drop the gun!
Similar situations happen all the time in Edmonton, nearly 1,600 last year alone. Constable Clay Hilbert says in the moment, there's no time to distinguish.
In a dark alley, if somebody was holding this or pointing it at me, there's absolutely no way that I would be able to tell the difference in that split second. It's just a major like adrenaline dump. Your heart rate spikes, and that affects your decision making.
Better off to avoid tense situations altogether. EPS handing out educational posters, stickers, brochures, even comic books.
This was a campaign led by patrol officers who felt themselves that there's way too many real guns out there and there's way too many imitation guns.
The penalties for shooting an airsoft or BB gun in public are steep. Up to 10 grand in fines, a mandatory court appearance, possibly even 6 months in jail. Jeremy Thompson, CTV News, Edmonton.